North Carolina is getting another medical school. It will be at Fayetteville at Methodist University.
The school is teaming up with Cape Fear Valley Health and is set to open next summer. The school held a formal announcement this morning and will begin recruiting new students immediately. Several people showed up today for the announcement and to get a look at the new state-of-the-art building. The hope is to train and keep qualified doctors in North Carolina.
This accomplishment is the result of years of dedication, planning, and collaboration. It represents a bold new chapter for Methodist University, one that builds on our long tradition of academic excellence, innovation, and service to this region.
This announcement comes at a time when many rural counties across North Carolina and the United States are struggling to get a wide variety of health care.
Many people in small towns have to travel more than 45 miles just to receive specialized care. Kevin Kennedy takes a closer look at what this new news means for all of North Carolina.
They say every journey starts with a first step, or in this case, a first class. Methodist University will open up its doors to its first group of medical students starting in the summer of 2026. A massive and expensive undertaking they hope will lead to better and broader health care in rural communities of North Carolina.
Away from the hustle and bustle of city life, a place where crops, not concrete, cover the land, and animals almost outnumber people, is the small town of Bladenboro, population 1,650.
This is the country. All you hear is dog barking and wild animals running everywhere.
Charles Ray Peterson has lived out here most of his life. His choice.
I've had opportunity to leave, but I chose to stay here because this is where my family is and this is where my home is.
The peace and calm that comes with country living also comes at a price, a medical one.
It's not like there's not medical care in our area. It's just the time that it takes to get there.
While there are medical facilities in the area, the closest trauma center is Cape Fear Valley Health, 45 miles away.
It's hard for rural North Carolina to recruit doctors and retain doctors.
Bladen County is not unique. 70 of 80 rural counties in North Carolina are designated as a medical desert. 20 don't have a hospital.
So when you look at areas that are more rural, away from the cities, we are missing critical physicians.
The numbers are somewhat frightening. Projecting out 10 years, the shortfall of physicians in our country is estimated to be between 125,000 and 180,000.
The issue of access to health care is a national problem. There's a need in every single physician discipline.
A need that is about to receive an injection of optimism. Methodist University is set to open a school of medicine next summer.
We will have a huge impact across the state. Our reach will be felt in Raleigh, in Durham, and Charlotte.
Methodist University is now the 6th medical school in the state, stemming the tide of students looking outside our state to study.
There are absolutely students in North Carolina looking to come to medical school who will need to go elsewhere if we don't have enough seats here in North Carolina.
Statistics show students that learn and complete their residency in North Carolina are 70% more likely to stay and work here.
It's a major step. Work on this project actually began 6 years ago in 2019.
Back then, Arya Patel was just a sophomore in high school. In March, she graduates college and plans to enroll at the new medical school.
And whenever I do think about my career, when I was in high school or beginning of college, I would think that I have to move out far away from my family.
The new medical campus in Fayetteville is a short walk to Cape Fear Valley Health, giving students easy access to on-the-job training.
And I can definitely see myself doing residency or working there. I've learned so much there.
64 students will be part of the first class. The hope is that many will stay in North Carolina and work in those rural areas that desperately need doctors.
Until we solve the issue of the doctor deserts, I think there's still a critical need for expansion.
Faculty and support. This news certainly a significant step for this area and our state, infusing our medical deserts with doctors they lack. In Fayetteville, Kevin Kennedy, WFMY News 2.